Good morning, Wildcats. So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about principles. Not these kinds of principles, not Olson or Holton or principles from when you were in elementary school, etc. But these kinds of principles, the kinds of principles that are rules for living, your beliefs, what guide you, your ideas, your what you value the most, like the Boy Scout principle to always be trustworthy, right? These kinds of principles is spelled, if you check this out, it's spelled P-A-L-S. Your principles are your pals. Your principles are especially your pals if you follow principles that are spelled P-L-E-S. So we have our principles right here at school, our guidelines for success. Be respectful, be responsible, be safe, have a growth mindset. These really are, these principles are rules to live by. They guide the path of your life. You can follow them forever. Remember, Benjamin Franklin had the list of principles as a young man that he developed, that he tried to live by every day of his life as part of the values that he took with him everywhere he went. Now, I don't have a principle or two that I really cling to, maybe other than respect and responsibility. Really what guides me is if I try to think about, if I can, how do I add value to the situation I'm in? I might need different principles for different situations. Maybe the situation calls for kindness, or calm, or patience, or caring, or sternness, or accountability, any number of different things. But each of those principles guide my life because I want to do the right thing. So these principles, if we develop a set of principles, it'll make it much easier for us to make the right choice. We go into a situation to add value. We already have these guiding principles. It will make life easier for us. It will help us make better choices. What we want to do, Wildcats, like John Wayne has said, Pilgrim, you better follow your principles or the principals will be following you. So, Wildcats, have a great day. You know we love you. We know you care about you. Work hard next week in school. Peace out, everybody.